so I'm just going to jump right into this video. This wig I received from a company called Hairspells, and I will have all of the information down below in the description box. As you can see, I did receive my wig via DHL, and it took about maybe about 3-4 days to receive it, so you don't have to wait long at all. So my wig did come with some eyelashes and a little booklet, just, you know, giving you all of their social media. So I'll be sure to leave all of that stuff in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So this is a lace front wig. This wig is in the color T1B Purple Ombre. It is 130% density Brazilian straight lace front wig. As you can see, it has combs along the front and the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So here I am just trying the wig on for the first time with you guys, and I did use the combs and the adjustable straps in the back, and I also used the comb that's in the back. So here I'm just showing you how long it is. I believe this wig is about 22 inches. I'm not quite sure. Again, I'm short, so everything is long on me. So that's just to give you guys a reference, but I will have all of the information down below in the description box, including the correct inches that this wig is. So here I'm just cutting the lace off. I wanted to try it on before I did that. You always want to do that before you cut the lace, ladies. I tell you that all the time, because you cannot return this wig if you cut the lace off. So always be sure to try it on first and see how you like it. Now this wig was rather big on me, but it's okay because I had no intentions on adhering this wig to my head. I wanted to rock it as is, and it's pretty snug. You know, I didn't have any issues. So here I am just styling this unit. I wanted to do this on camera for the sole purpose that I get a lot of comments and inboxes saying, you know, well, Donna, I bought that same wig and mine didn't look like yours. And I'm like, well, did you style it? You know, you have to style it. You have to make your wig fit you and, you know, your personality. Now, a lot of times you get the wig, as you can see, straight out the box. It's not a wearable wig. You can't just, you know, put it on and go. This is not one of those wigs that you do that. You have to, you know, do a little bit of work. Not much, but just a little bit. Here I'm just showing you this, it's like a wax stick that I received from my local beauty supply store. Well, I went and bought it. So just to lay those hairs down and get that parting space going. I knew that I wanted a middle part, so I knew exactly what I wanted to do with this unit. As you can see, it does come with baby hairs, and I could cut them, but I just decided not to. Just wanted to slick them back, you know, and just style it the way it is. I did go in with my flat iron just to lay it down, but I did not want the straight look, you guys. I wanted to go in with some pretty curls. So just sit back, relax, and, you know, grab your little popcorn or your snacks or whatever you do, and just watch the video. See how I got those curls.
My phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Babe, I gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Now you're making it.
Hey guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I love this unit. I have no complaints. There was no tingling or shedding or anything like that. No crazy smell. I've worked with Hairspells before, so I'm pretty familiar with the company and their hair. Yes, it's definitely quality hair if you want to know. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to let me know in the comment section what you think about the curls. Do you like it straight? Do you like it curly? Which one? Let me know. And don't forget to thumbs up the video for me. Thank you. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.
So hard, girl, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't.